How to go live on Facebook Lite app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can go live on Facebook Lite app. So if you are also wondering on how we can do that, these are the process you may follow up and we should be able to get it live on Facebook Lite app. First of all, go ahead and download up the Facebook Lite app. If you already have that one, you can just go ahead and open it up and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be seeing this kind of interface on your screen. And here, you just need to head over to your profile. You can directly head over by tapping on this section right here. Or you can just go ahead and tap on the menu bar at the top right corner of your screen and head over to your profile. Once you reach over to your profile, you need to scroll down a bit until you're able to find this option called Post a Status Update. You can just go ahead and click on it. And from here, you can post up update of your status. You can find photos, videos, and different options. But since we are looking out for go live, you can find this option called go live. Just go ahead and tap on it. And you can wait it up to set up your live video. Once that is done, you can just head over and go live on your Facebook Lite app just like that. So that is how you get up live on your Facebook Lite application easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.